friends, Running Kimono, Walgreens. Oh my gosh, so many more deals to talk about. So we're gonna talk about it. This, not Walgreens, from the Dollar General, but we'll talk about this in a second. But my goodness gracious, lots of stuff, including 90% off pop sockets. I love pop sockets. And then we have a little Meijer cheapie right here. Something I found in the gardening center at Walmart I wanted to share with you guys. This is like 90% off. And then a little bit of coupon mail. So the weather report for you guys, if you look right there, watch this. Camilla, hi. I have to give her a treat now. But she responds, hold on, I can't let you run in here because I have other cats. Okay, I gotta give her a treat. Camilla says hi. Do you wanna say hi to my mom? Hold on. Hi Camilla, you wanna say hi to my mom? Oh, okay, we'll be back with a treat. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is Dollar General. If you watched my video that I made yesterday about the clearance event that's gonna be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, sometimes penny items might appear, or they may not. But this was a penny item from this week's list, and it is a bag of these, it's like a swim pant. So like a pants that you put on when you go swimming if you're a toddler. And I'm gonna show you the UPC, but this was exactly a penny. I found this in the summer section just with a whole bunch of junk. So I was very happy to find 1 penny. And if you wish to open up the Dollar General app, here is the barcode. And here's my receipt, 1 cent. So courtesy of the freebie guy, he put out this list, and these are all the diapers that are part of it. They will bring up for 1 cent. Little rule of thumb for the new shoppers, what is penny shopping? It's when items should be off the floor, but they're not, and they ring up for 1 cent, and they have to sell it to you. Do not mention this. This is like Fight Club. The first rule of this is to keep your mouth shut. Go in there like a very, you know, stealth mode, look for this stuff, and if you can find it and use the app, it's ringing up for either 0.00 or a penny. You know you're picking up the right stuff, and all the information is right here on the slide, courtesy of the freebie guy. Okay, so sorry about the weird mood lighting. It's about 3 o'clock, so the sun is kind of weird over here right now. I have 6 of these Olay body washes, and I made a video on this on Monday. I did it. It worked beautifully for me. It worked so well, guys, that I actually got this down to 16 cents per body wash. 16 cents for one of these. Okay, so let's just jog through the math. They are 2 for $12. I grabbed 6 of them, so that's 36. I have a 5 off of 3, 2 different 5 off of 3 digital coupons. $10 came off. Now I had an 8 back when you spend 35 booster that printed out of the Catalina machine, plus a digital 5 back when you spend 20. So got the cashier to scan the 8 back when you spend 35, and I had the digital one loaded. So after everything was said and done, I got back $12 of Walgreens cash. You're getting back 4 for every 2, so 4, 8, and 12, as I bought 3 sets of them. And then I also got back 8 for my paper booster, 5 for the digital booster. So after everything's said and done for me, this is $1 for the 6 or 16 cents per body wash. Remember, because we're using different spend boosters, you must use your debit card, credit card, cash bills for the balance. Do not use your Walgreens cash. To answer one question, if you wanted to throw in a register reward, absolutely go for it. What I would recommend is get the cashier to scan all 6, because it will provide 6 line limits. So that 5 off of 3 will attach to one, 5 off of 3 will attach to the other, and then you can use register rewards. You have 4 more lines in the limit. Hopefully that is crystal clear. This worked out so well for me. I also made a video this morning about this, and this is a superb deal. You don't have to use a spend booster for this one. You can just use some common sense. So these are 2 for $11. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning. So it's $9. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish. And then you're gonna get back $4 of Walgreens cash for buying 2. You're also gonna get back $4 from IBOTTA, 2 for each, plus an extra $2 from the Fetch Rewards app, making this free, plus a $1 moneymaker. Deal is really fantastic, and I'm so fed up of toothpaste deals that this is right up my alley. This guy is $3.99. This guy is $3.99. Buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So 2 of them is $7.98, subtracting the $2 for this and the $2 for this, you're paying $3.98. Now I used $4 in Walgreens cash, and then I got back $4 in Walgreens cash, shaking this out to free. Deal that I think everybody should be doing because I think it's really fantastic. Both of these guys are $3.99 each this week for the Swiffer kit and this Unstoppable fabric. This was a harder one for me to find. So guys, we have a $2 digital for both the Swiffer and the Unstoppable. It drops it down to $1.99 each. So for 2 of them, it's $3.98. Use $4 of Walgreens cash and laugh all the way to the bank and back. It's a solid deal. So Mr. Viva, this guy was ringing up for $4.99. Not the other one I had on Sunday, although it was tagged like that at the store. So this guy, $4.99. In the big book of savings, see where my thumb is? We have $1 off, dropping this guy down to $3.99. Here is the UPC if you want the exact precise details. But to pay $3.99 for this guy, absolutely fantastic. We have a lot of cats, so we're always picking up little messies. And I also had a Fetch Rewards deal that if I spent like $10, I would get back $1. So I got back $1. I bought 5 of these this week, so well worth it. That weird mood lighting still because it's so darn sunny outside. We have these little Burt's Bees pop sockets. So you know where they have all the cell phones and all that fun stuff? This is where you'll find it. And these guys, the original price point was $19.99. They're 90% off, so it is $1.99 each. I used some Walgreens cash to pay it down. And see how you put the pop socket on the back and you can put your Burt's Bees lip balm inside of there as well. So I got a bunch of these for like Christmas stockings. I thought it would make a super cute little add-on. I have both the ladies and the men's. So delighted to find so many at one store. And then these pop sockets, kind of a fancier one. These were $1.49. The original price point for this was $14.99. And these little ones with the avocados, how stinking cute are these? The original price point was $9.99 and they were on clearance for 99 cents. Guys, so let's hop over to Meijer. Meijer is a grocery store here in the Midwest only. So these little Olays, it's just a little Regenerist anti-aging moisturizer. I hate it when they put SPF in this because if you get that in your eye, well, I think you know what I'm talking about. These are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So $9.49 for the first, $4.74 for the second. So that's a total of $14.23. Some markets, they're closer to 10 bucks. I know that. So it would be like $10.59 and then $5 and some change. So that's $14.23 for me. I had a 10 off of 2 M-Perk that is in fact attaching to this one. And then I also had a $5 M-Perk on my husband's account because I have not been shopping on his account in the longest time. I've actually been doing a lot of shopping over at Walmart. So anyhow, the 10 off came off, and then I also had that $5 M-Perk, so I just had to pay tax on this, and I'm very happy to have 2 little Olay lotions. Last thing we're going to talk about in the crazy mood light is Walmart. These Miracle Grow, it's like a battery operated spray. There it is. I got these because my husband and I are going to be trying to do some gardening next summer. Look at this freaking lighting. Could it be cloudy for 5 minutes? So anyhow, $1 each, which is a killer price point. Look this up on brickseek.com. If you are into gardening, I got a bunch of them because I know my mother-in-law gardens too. My mom gardens, everybody gardens. So $1 for that, it's totally what it's about. The last thing we're gonna talk about is a little bit of coupon mail. These are from my very good friend in California, Sandra. She sent them to me. This is the October P&G. Lots of these coupons are valid until the 30th. Some of them are expiring on the 9th. So if that is not your thing, obviously not pour vous, but that one, fantastic. They also have this one. All these dental ones too, valid till the end of the month. Oh, cold medication too. It is that season, isn't it, guys? All of her information is in the notes if you wish to get in touch with her. And she's from Southern California and very quick delivery here to Michigan or the Midwest. And look at these detergent ones. We have a clearance event at the Dollar General, so these will definitely be put into play. I know this one, there is a product that's like $4.74, so with this it'll be $1.74. And then this for the fabric softeners and stuff, it's gonna make it like 77 cents. And then all of these 9 elements, if you like that stiff. Just trying to show you the stuff that's valid till the end of the month if you're interested. And then she also included this, and this is from the October 3rd Smart Source. We have this. I wonder if there's going to be any of that with the Dollar General clearance event. We have a little bit of CoverGirl. Jergens. Ban. It's been putting my deodorant on. Curel. There's a bunch of little Airwick products with the Dollar General clearance event, so yes, that will be quite fantastic. Ensure, Revlon, vitamins, and some Chobani. So let's go look at what Sandra has up for grabs. Okay, friends, so going over to her website, and this is all linked in the notes, a whole bunch of different bundles. If you look at the top, it says home and shop. That's what you're going to hit, and then everything should just pop up for you. So everything is very thorough and very detailed. So she has a website now if you want to go and check it out. And if you're just not sure about all of this, she also has on her main page how to contact. Like if you're just not sure, you can send her a quick old-fashioned email. And if you are also an Instagrammer, you can also get in touch with her over there, and I'll leave her Instagram also in the notes. She's been around forever on all forms of social media. Very nice lady out of Southern California, and typically it's about 2 to 3 days to get inserts from there to here in the Midwest. So all of her info's in the notes. Check it out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!